ke Rainbow of Sounds Music School kepada Shillong Maubri Bhoi District kepada perlong sisin citayo ha ke sisa janya Little Flower Higher Secondary School Maubri kedon punjait kilkom hikai ha ke liang ke tem keput bat karwai ke siau keyboard, gitar, western vocal, Indian classical vocal, kasih instruments bat kasih vocal kikena akibat news nam senang kila banwan pentebit ha ke music school bat dan jingiaid nak bentai ke larang baru banwan pentebit ha ke music school ka Dr. Ampareen Lyngdoh kepada Menteri Jong Sorkar Jylla kala kentu ya baru Iaki Paidbah jong Jylla makim de pan Shah Ialam Bakla hano hak iadei bat ke jingiaid lynti bat ke jingpyntreikam iaka Bhah Thungkam lan ke Reservation Policy kalau ong ba ke don jingtip ba ke jingdawa sangeh pentreikam ya ke roster system kala banwan ra ya ke jingipher jai benru hapo ke Jylla bat kala kentu Iaki Paidbah ba kide bancenya hak sorkar bakan sim ki senjam ki bahatam nak benta ke bit ke biang jong Iaki Paidbah ke Jylla dak baban rabruk baga ko aban kolar Iaki Paidbah jong ke Jylla baga sorkar ke simkhia bat kan le ia ke kam hak iadei bat kene ke kam ke sorkar kala budru ya ki kato kene ki hukum jong ke ying ke seri kumno ban pentreikam ya ke Reservation Policy ke ban mentoilang ya baro bat sian ke sorkar kan sesim ki senjam ke babahatam ong ke Dr. Ampareen Lyngdoh.
Megla is a very unique application of the Reservation Policy. As a community and as citizens of the state, we must ensure that a practice that was propagated since the inception of the state, with its positives and negatives, should not be discussed beyond logical debate. Yes, we are aware that the roster does, in all likelihood, create some sort of a sense of insecurity amongst communities that are enjoying this reservation in the state of Meghalaya. The one message that we as a government want to give to the people of Meghalaya is, do not underestimate the capacity of your government to evaluate what practice will benefit the state in the long run. We have been actively engaging on understanding the roster as it was and how best can we take that forward, protecting the interests of all communities who will gradually and definitely be affected by it. I want to give the assurance to the state, to the people of the state, that the government is engaging actively. We have been advised by various court orders, honorable court orders, to ensure that we have a systematic application of the reservation policy that will seem like a policy that is sensitive to citizens across the board. We will try our best to understand this system and to ensure that while applying it, we should not seem as a government that is unjustly applying a system. So this order of the Honorable High Court is going to have positive application in the future. We must as a state adhere to justice for all. We must provide a fair playing ground for all communities, and we will try our best to ensure that in its future application we apply this system in the best and most justified manner. We are procuring all data from all line departments to understand how the roster has been applied in the state thus far, and we will adhere to advisories that are going to be productive in the long run for the state and the citizens of the state of Meghalaya.